Okay, so now I'm just going to give a little blurb on the Xbox 360 mod to get your old hard drives back in your new Xbox with your wireless and everything, and you still got all your games. You'll be good to go. So you start off with your hard drive case, right? 60 gigs, what I got. You take it apart. When you take this apart, you're going to end up, haha, I can't see it. You're going to end up with this little slot card holder inside, right? That's just loose in there. Hold on, let's see if I can show you. See how that's just sitting in there? So what actually happens is there's a wire connection that goes from the front all the way through and then into this card. Inside here, you just unplug the connection, plug it in your Xbox, and it'll recognize it. Pretty simple, eh? It's in the bottom. The only thing that you're going to have to do is find something, because it's actually inside the Xbox. I took a piece of my corner of my kid's mat, come in, and I just set it on top like so. Fits perfect. Wireless, thanks. That's one thing I don't care, but you just put it on and click, done. Modern Warfare 3. Alright, thanks.